Welcome back to our latest edition of the NOCout Report. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos about everything tech, business, and the latest gadgetry. Have you ever wondered about the most maddening aspect of working in IT? Is it the fact that the turn it off and on again actually resolves nearly all issues? Or the conspiracy theory that the creators of antivirus software are also the authors of viruses? No, the true frustration lies in witnessing fellow IT professionals deliver subpar services, observing people who believe that IT is just about installing an antivirus and transitioning someone to Office 365 or Gmail, and that's it. It's simply disheartening, but IT is a field that demands so much more. Unlike lawyers or accountants, IT professionals are not regulated by any formal examinations or charters. To become a registered Microsoft partner, you simply pay the annual fee, and as you progress towards silver and gold partnership, a few more qualifications, and additional payment to Microsoft, and you're good to go. There are no strict regulations or guidelines, which often leads customers into the illusion of excellent service. Today, let's delve into the topic of cyber attacks and specifically how you or your IT provider should respond to threats such as ransomware, viruses, phishing attacks, and more. This is a topic close to my heart as we regularly encounter new customers who've suffered recurring cyber breaches with their IT providers restoring everything only for the same issue to reoccur months later. Let me break down my 4-step plan to recover from a cyber attack. Step 1 involves immediate reaction. Disconnect your network from the internet, power down your computers and servers, do whatever it takes to contain the breach and prevent further damage. Step 2, it's about fixing the issue. Identify the source of the attack, isolate it from the network, reset user passwords, and restore everything from backups. Step 3 is crucial and often overlooked by many IT companies. It's the never again step. Analyze the attack, reflect on your response, and implement measures to prevent a similar occurrence. Finally, step 4 is reporting the breach to the necessary authorities. You have a responsibility to alert bodies like the FBI and even your customers if their data has been compromised. So if you've experienced a breach and your IT provider hasn't given you a clear explanation, it might be time to consider alternatives. Now, if you're curious about enhancing your IT security, we have a series of videos linked below that delve deeper into this topic. Hit like if you found this video useful and drop a comment below as it helps our channel reach more people. And remember, at NOC, we're not just about technology, we're about people, and we can't wait to meet you.